What's good, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another vlog. I haven't uploaded in probably like 2 weeks, maybe 3, I don't know. Probably 2 weeks, but switching it up today. I have the new Apple iPhone 12 Pro. And we're gonna be doing an unboxing of that. Gonna show you the specs and everything, blah, 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 setting it up, unboxing. So I have, you guys will see, but shout out to Snapback Lane for another dope ass hat. Discount code is in the description below. Follow me on IG, subscribe, like, share, comment, and let's get to it. I went with the Apple iPhone 12 Pro, as you can see, gold. It's pretty big. The box is definitely smaller than what it used to be. This is the entry-level version, which is not the entry-level 12, but the entry-level version of storage. It is the 128 gig, so which I'm happy about because I had the 32 gigabyte iPhone 7, and that was my last phone. And I've always wanted to. I wanted to get the 11 Pro, and I wanted to wait till the price dropped, but I was like, I might as well just get the 12 and call it a day. And when the new one comes out after this, I might go ahead and keep upgrading like that. So I did open up the phone already at the store because I bought a screen protector. I'm gonna order a case because I didn't really like their cases, but this is how it comes basically. Rip that off, and this is like a sticky kind of thingy, whatever, I don't know. So let's get to the box. We'll get back to the phone. Put that over there. So it comes with this USB-C to, well, USB-C to USB-C. No, USB-C to Lightning. USB-C to Lightning plug charger. The dumb thing about it is you have to buy a whole, they don't come with the blocks, so you have to buy a whole new block. Now, what else we have in here? We have the SIM card remover. Then we have the Apple stickers, and then the little pamphlet for the phone, and that's all. So they're trying to go with the recycle and whole green movement thing. You get the point. So let's get back to the phone. Now I turned it on. They basically programmed my number to this new SIM card, which I don't know what it looks like. So let me pop that open. They said the new SIM cards are better with Wi-Fi, better with Bluetooth connectivity, better with service, better with a whole bunch of stuff. So still basically the same SIM card that was in my phone because I did a trade-in. Gonna put that back in. So they've switched the sides of where the SIM card goes. SIM card used to be right here, I believe. Now it's over here at the bottom. The gold is definitely like, the gold is like a stainless steel Apple Watch. So if you look at the stainless steel Apple Watch, it's just like that. You can get a lot of fingerprints on it, as you can see. Other than that, it's a pretty decent phone. I like it. They said this part, if you crack this is a $550 repair, and will most likely lead you to, they'll most likely say no and make you buy a new phone. Same thing with the camera. This is a $280 repair, I believe. I think they said. And they kept trying to get me to get Apple Care, blah, blah. But I usually keep my phones in a case with a screen protector. So I'm probably going to replace this screen protector because it's not a full screen protector like I wanted. I thought it was going to be like a full frame to frame like the 11 Pros, which I've seen before. But let me zoom in on the screen protector if you guys can see it. So you see right here, it's not actually like touching the border. So I'm most likely gonna get a new screen protector with a new case that's gonna basically have a lip in case it drops on the front and a lip on the back. So let's go ahead and set up the iPhone. English, United States, set up manually. Okay, so I had to get the password for the Wi-Fi. Go back, set up manually. Cool House 2G. We are in. So let me zoom in a little bit more. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. It's fast. Face ID, no. Definitely no. Passcode, okay. Now we're gonna restore from iCloud backup. I mean, if you have iCloud backup, which is basically what I use, I get the 50 gigabyte for 99 cents? Or, I mean, yes, I think it's basically $1 per month. Or if you have it backed up on your Mac or another PC, or transfer directly from your old iPhone if you still have it, but I don't have mine since I traded mine in. Or if you have an Android and you're moving over to Apple, or you just want to basically start fresh, don't transfer apps and data. So I'm gonna restore from an iCloud backup. Now I'm gonna sign into my Apple ID. Okay, so now we're here, terms, blah, 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 agree. Let me zoom out a little bit. Let's go with my yesterday's backup. Not with my, well, I could go with the Pro, but I'm just gonna stick with the iPhone. Continue. I'm gonna do the Apple Pay stuff later. Oh. I have an Apple Watch, but I'm not gonna set that up. I don't even use it anymore. Set up later. Getting a new Apple Watch because my old one does not work anymore. Definitely do not share audio recordings. Don't share app analytics. I kind of don't like when these kind of things happen because they kind of like not track what you're doing. Well, they basically, that's what they're doing, tracking what you're doing. But either way, I'll get back to you guys once the phone has been restored. Okay, so it's fully restored now. Now it's trying to basically restart the system and upload everything to my phone. We'll get back to you once that has been accomplished. This, I think, is the new antenna for 5G. I think that's what they said. I don't know what that is, to be honest. It might be a fingerprint thingy, though, to be honest. So, like, putting your finger right here. It might be that. I don't know. We'll check it out. But the phone overall looks pretty decent. This is like it's like a frosted glass right here, which is pretty cool. And then it's like another piece of glass right here. I don't know if you can see. Let me try to zoom in and you see how like it's frosted. It's a matte finish, and then this is like a clear glass. It's pretty dope though. I mean, I like the phone overall. Alright, so we're back. We're up. Let me unlock the phone. So it's not a fingerprint thingy. It doesn't feel like a fingerprint thing. I don't see any features of it saying. Let me swipe up, unlock my phone. Alright. Okay, so overall, it's basically like my iPad Pro, the third generation iPad Pro. If you use the third generation iPad Pro or the frameless iPhones, then you're pretty much used to this. Same thing here, notifications. What else? Let's see if there's any new apps. They have GarageBand up here, which I think that's been up there for a while. I think I deleted mine. What else? I don't see any new apps for the phone. This is here, which was with iOS 14. Everything else, let's check out the camera. That's what I really want to check out. New quick take video. Let me zoom in for you guys. New quick take video. Tap and hold the shutter to record a quick video. Drag the shutter to the left for burst. I never used burst, but overall, it's pretty nice graphics, no bull. Let's go ahead and try the stage light. Alright, There we go. Let's take a look. I mean, it looks pretty cool. I mean, you can also see where it dims out the sides and stuff. Smart feature, I guess. Stage light mono, high key light mono. Overall though, I mean, contour light, studio light, natural light. Let's check natural light. I mean, does a good job making the, I think they call it bokeh or whatever, around the picture, but I want to see what this thing looks like outside. Okay, so now we're gonna check out the front-facing camera. Let me get out a portrait. I got the pano, portrait, photo, video. You can do wide-angle video and then telephoto video, slow-mo, time-lapse. So let's look at the front camera. Switch. Wow. Okay, this is definitely better than, like, and you can do wide angle. Okay, this is really, like, really good. This is really good, like, for real. And I think this is the night mode thingy or whatever. I don't even know how to use that part yet. You got your square selfie, got your 16:9 selfie, and your 4:3. And you can adjust the exposure. Ooh. Drop that back to 0. I mean, I look like a bozo, but it looks grainy. Obviously, once you zoom in, it is grainy. I really want to take this outside and see how good it is. So what is that? Okay, does nothing. Oh, I guess it shows you the options below. Let me zoom back in. Let's take a picture like this. Let me see how it looks. I mean, it's readable, which is pretty cool. But obviously, the closer you get, the grainier it gets. What else should we check out? But yeah, overall, I mean, the phone is already heating up too. Like, it's already, like, hot, which is weird because it shouldn't be hot. But the phone is cool. I'm not gonna lie. No. Overall, I mean, the phone is cool. It is quicker though. I will give it that.